This is my custom-built Surly Pack Rat. I've had this bike for about 1.5 years. It's my main ride, and I recently made some upgrades to the bike, so I thought it'd be a perfect time to tell you about this build, let you know about a few of the key decisions I made in putting this bike together. So I hope you enjoy this video about my custom Surly Pack Rat. When I sat down to design this bike, I wanted to produce the definitive do-everything bicycle. Each and every part was meticulously researched and chosen to maximize performance, minimize weight, and produce the ultimate cycling experience.
You're so full of crap.
So yeah, that was just a joke. The Pack Rat is not what most people would consider a performance bike. First of all, it's a steel frame. Second of all, most importantly, it doesn't have disc brakes. But what this bike is a heck of a lot of fun. And it is lighter than you would think. Weighs in at just over 27 pounds. And it's really good on any surface. I ride this bike on gravel, on trails, on the road. It really works great on any surface. So yeah, bike does what I want it to do. A lot of fun to ride, very comfortable. So for me, one of the highlights of this build is the shifting system. When I originally built this bike, I had some Rivendell bar-end shifters in a 9-speed on the bike, but I just recently upgraded to a Dior 10-speed derailleur with these really nice Jevenel CX shifters, and I have to say I absolutely love the feel of them. They have a very mechanical feel that's very satisfying when you click the bike into gear, you change gears. There's a very nice solid clicking that just feels great. Feels like a very high quality shifter, and frankly I like them much better than the comparable SRAM and Shimano drifters. So very satisfied with these shifters, and I'll probably use them on some future bikes. Really love the feel of them. So the other thing I really like about this bike is the braking system. You know, a lot of people ask me why I prefer rim brakes over disc brakes, and the answer is I don't necessarily. Disc brakes are great. I have them on other bikes, but for me, for this bike, these rim brakes work just fine, and I appreciate also the weight savings I get by running rim brakes. Alright, the last thing I want to highlight on the Surly Pack Rat are the wheels and tires. I'm running Velocity Quill 650B wheels with Rene Hurst Juniper Ridge 48mm tires, and have to say I love this combination. It rides really smooth and supple. I can run low tire pressure. I have them set up tubeless, so really enjoy the way the wheels and tires ride on this bike. So now for the bad news about the Pack Rat. Surly discontinued the Pack Rat in 2021, so if you're thinking about putting one of these together yourself, you're gonna have to find a used one, and no, this one's not for sale.